Hi everyone, welcome back to Train, where we make AI simple for you. Artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, and Claude are powered by something called a large language model, or LLM. If you're new to AI, understanding what an LLM is will completely change how you think about these tools. A large language model is a type of artificial intelligence system designed to understand and generate human language. The word large refers to the enormous amount of data it is trained on and the billions, sometimes trillions of internal parameters it uses. Language refers to text, words, sentences, code, conversations, articles, and model simply means it's a mathematical system that has learned patterns from data. At its core, an LLM is a prediction engine. It does not think, feel, or understand the way humans do. Instead, it predicts the next most likely word based on the words that came before it. So for example, if you read the sentence, "The capital of France is," your brain quickly fills in Paris. An LLM does something similar, but instead of memory or awareness, it relies on probability. During training, it analyzed massive amounts of text and learned that Paris frequently follows that sentence pattern. When you type a prompt, the model generates a response one piece at a time by predicting the most likely next word, then the next, and the next, until the response is complete. What makes modern LLMs so powerful is the scale of their training and the architecture they use. They are trained on enormous data sets that include books, websites, code repositories, and many forms of written communication. During training, the model adjusts billions of numerical parameters. You can think of these parameters as tiny mathematical switches that help the model learn relationships between words and ideas. The breakthrough technology that made this possible is called the transformer architecture. Without getting too technical, transformers allow the model to look at all parts of a sentence at once and understand how words relate to each other in context. This is what allows LLMs to write essays, summarize documents, generate code, translate languages, and hold coherent conversations. Another important concept for beginners is tokens. LLMs don't read text exactly like how humans do. They break text into smaller chunks called tokens, which may be whole words or parts of words. The model processes and predicts one token at a time. That's how it builds responses in real time, often in just seconds. Because it's working through probabilities rather than stored facts, it can sometimes generate information that sounds correct, but isn't. This happens because the model is predicting what is statistically likely to come next, not checking a live database unless it has been connected to external tools or search systems. When you use an AI application like ChatGPT or Copilot, you're not interacting with the raw LLM alone. Companies build systems on top of the model, including safety filters, user interfaces, memory features, file upload capabilities, and integrations with other software. The LLM is the engine, but the product you use includes additional layers that shape how it behaves. Instructions you give it, often called prompts, guide the model's output. The clearer and more structured your prompt, the better the response tends to be. LLMs are a big deal because language is the interface to almost everything we do digitally. If a system can understand and generate language at a high level, it can assist with writing, research, programming, customer support, analysis, and learning. Instead of clicking through complex menus, you can simply describe what you want in natural language. That's why LLMs feel revolutionary. They turn conversation into a control system for software. So in simple terms, a large language model is a massive mathematical system trained to predict language patterns at scale. It doesn't know things the way a person does, but because it has learned from so much text, its predictions can appear intelligent and helpful. Understanding this foundation helps beginners use AI more effectively and more realistically. Instead of expecting it to think like a human, you can guide it with clear instructions and structured input. And that's when it becomes truly powerful. Well, that's all for today. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.